Hello yOOnglez, I'm sorry for not uploading for a month and thank you much for 500 plus subs, it means a lot. I haven't been uploading cause I haven't been that motivated, so I decided to take some time off, and I think I've gained motivation to make at least one video. I'm making a new intro and outro because I know I can do better. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I promise a video will be out in 1 to 2 weeks time. I am also changing my channel name to ynglezxaLx, so I hope you don't mind that either. Thank you again for 500 plus subs. Bye now.